Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and also doing well. So this video is all about how can you set up a new Venmo account, a new Venmo payments profile on your mobile phone from a desktop, from your iPhone, iPad or any device you want. So the first step is to create your account on the Venmo application. So for this we will just go on the Venmo. I'm showing you this all of this from the Venmo help center. This is official website and these steps are official and all are 100% genuine. Because of I cannot use Venmo in my country due to some restriction, but I will show you the step by step guide how can you perform this section and do a successful creation of your account. So the first step is to download the application from iOS. If you're using iPhone, so you have to download from the App Store, and if you are using Android, so you just have to go on the Android Play Store. And you just have to mind that Venmo does not have any type of Windows application, so you cannot run it on your PC or on your desktop. After that, whenever you will open any type of application, the registration process is 99% same of all the payments application. That is basic: your name, your date of birth, your mobile number, your email ID. These four things will be mandatory. After that, you just have to sign up using your mobile number or sign up using your email ID. There are two options: sign up or sign in. Sign in for the existing customers and sign up for the new customers. You just have to click on the sign up, enter your mobile number or Gmail ID, enter the password which you want to set, like a strong password containing symbols, capital letters, small letters and numbers. After that, you just have to simply verify your phone number, email address, and then you have to verify your bank account, and your account is now ready to transact. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.